welcome the country's newest teen sensation, the Jollibee Friends.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Jollibee Friends with us. Would you like to say hello first to your friends?
Good afternoon to all of you.
Parang gusto ko rin makiganon eh. Okay lang? Sige, barkada tayo lahat. Would you like to introduce yourselves first?
Yeah, hi, I'm Jay.
Jay?
I'm Jingo. Yes, good afternoon to everybody, and I'm Glenda. Yes, good afternoon. I'm Anna, the youngest. Magandang hapon po sa inyo, I'm Tanya.
Sige, nalilito tuloy ako sa ganda niya. Gusto tayo ng konti dito, mga friends. Yeah. Paki-explain naman sa mga viewers natin, how was this formed, itong Jollibee Friends?
Okay. So, we are just typical teenagers who often, gusto namin kasi lagi weekends. So, kaya nga I love you Sabado eh. So, paano nangyari yun? Dali. So, Jollibee formed this Jollibee Teen Friends. And we are very lucky that we are chosen as the spokespersons to our co-teenagers ng Jollibee. And we would tell them all the many exciting things that Jollibee has in store for them.
Exciting things? Ano ba yung exciting?
Well, first of all, we would like to reassure teenagers like us na Jollibee is and still the best fast food restaurant, not only for the whole family, but for yung mga teenagers na katulad namin.
Oh, natin. Sama
yeah, tayo. And Jollibee has many amenities to fit our active lifestyles, like express delivery, drive-through, take-out, so that everybody could enjoy their favorite Jollibee items at home or at school or miski saan pwede kayong makabili ng Jollibee items.
Sige, Tanya, please.
I also want to add to that, no? So, bali for teenagers also, Jollibee has to offer their Babalik Card. For those of you who are not yet members of Babalik Card, so, kung paano kukunin yun, you have to go to any of your favorite Jollibee stores. Then, you ask for
May
an
minimum, di
application.
ba? May minimum ba yun? Wala nang
Wala naman.
minimum.
So, bale, you get an application form, then you fill it up. Then with this Babalik card, you can shop for cool items and avail of big discounts.
Ano ba tinatawag na teen shop? May tinatawag daw kayong teen shops eh.
We have yung mga blue soda, Kashika, KPO, Manels, Mephisto, Pink Soda, at saka Pedro. This Babalik card is honored in all the branches sa lahat ng malls nationwide. Nationwide yan. So, you should check them out. Ngayon, yun, ganun yun.
Ikaw, Jay. Ano?
Kasi just present your Babalik card when making a purchase and you can avail of 5 to 10% discounts.
Discount.
Malaki na yun for us.
Para sa atin, sa mga teenagers.
Kasi allowance lang.
Oo, totoo. T-shirts and caps, they give out t-shirts and caps
for
also.
the Babalik na card.
Yeah, Jay, anong ginagawa ng grupo?
Ngayon, marami kaming activities lined up, Randy. Especially, itong pine-prepare namin for Saturday, ang first major show ng Jollibee Friends. That'll be tomorrow, Saturday, July 9 at 3 p.m. sa SM Mega Mall Concert Hall. Now, we'd like to invite you.
Oy, talaga?
cast of
Concert nyo?
SST.
That's tomorrow?
Yes, tomorrow, 3 p.m.
What
at
time is that?
Mega Mall. We'd like to invite all the
3 p.m.
teenagers out there. Sama nyo na lahat pamilya ninyo. We guarantee an afternoon of fun and excitement. Ayun. We'll be having also True Faith as our guest performer.
And bring your friends along. Siyempre lahat kailangan mas maganda kung buong barkada kasama.
Kasi maraming pakuluhin ng daang Jollibee.
Talaga?
Mamimigay sila ng maraming prizes talaga. Nanonood ka lang, meron ka ng biglang prize.
Kami ba pwede makibarkada sa inyo?
Siyempre!
Ha?
Oo.
Iba na talaga ang mga teenagers yun. Makikisama na lang. So thank you very much once again. Would you like to invite them to your shop?
Don't forget, tomorrow, Saturday, July 9 at 3 p.m. SM Mega Mall Concert Hall. Yes, kaya, Jollibee na kami, kaya join na kayo!
Thank you very much. Jollibee friends. Magabalik po kayo sa street. Don't go away.